Hello everyone, this is Alex with Loudon Architecture, and today we're going to be walking through the Country Cottage. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath accessory dwelling unit design. Accessory dwelling units are also known as mother-in-law units or guest houses. This could even be used as a small house. This design features some vertical fiber cement board and batt siding. It's the white with the dark sash and some natural wood trim. We've got some decorative trusses at the gables. This is a very classic design and very modern. You see this, it's really popular at the moment. And so walking inside here, we'll come into the living space. It's a nice open concept living room area that opens up into the dining space and into the kitchen. This could be arranged a number of different ways. It's got a lot of natural light and plenty of openings for some views and opening to the different parts of the site. We've got space for a dining table in the middle here. We've got a pantry that could double as a broom closet, a spot for a vacuum, things of that nature. We've got a large fridge and freezer with a full range hood, sink with windows above it as well, plenty of cabinetry and lots of countertop space, especially for a unit of this size. These have 9-foot ceilings. This particular design, which allows you to get a lot of natural light. You could have some taller windows that go up to 8 foot. You could also have some cost savings by sticking with some normal height doors and windows, but this helps to illustrate the full extent of what's available with this particular design. We've got a full bathroom here with more light coming in, and this could double as a shower as well, or you could stick with the tub shower combo. Turning around, and here we've got our first of the 2 bedrooms. Lots of windows, again, tall ceilings, really makes this space, even with a smaller footprint, feel a lot larger. There's a reach-in closet here as well. Going back into the hallway, the second bedroom is on the right here. Here's the living area again. And then this is a closet for a stacked washer dryer, or it could even just double as a storage closet as well. Here's the second bedroom. This has a large closet as well. Plenty of space on the wall here for either a TV or some artwork. And then again, lots of light coming in those windows. So this is the Country Cottage. Like I said, nice open concept, modern design, great for modern living. You could even have this patio extend out further and have some nice furniture on the front here for those cool evening nights when you want to sit outside and enjoy your beautiful property. So thank you for joining us. Feel free to check out this design and a lot more other accessory dwelling unit plans on our website at loudonarchitecture.com, and we will see you in the next one.